In the world of cookware, versatility is the ultimate key to efficiency. If you're someone who enjoys cooking but also wants to save time on cleanup and streamline your kitchen essentials, this Eatex 5-quart pasta pot with strainer lid is the game changer you've been looking for. This multi-purpose stock pot brings the power of a non-stick ceramic cooking surface, twist and lock handles, and a built-in strainer lid, all packed into one incredible piece of cookware. Why choose the Eatex 5-quart pasta pot with strainer lid? For anyone looking for a multi-purpose cooking pot that combines ease of use, durability, and convenience, the Eatex Pasta Pot with strainer lid is a perfect choice. It's more than just a pasta pot. It's a versatile tool that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from simmering soups to making sauces and even cooking popcorn. The twist and lock strainer lid is a genius addition that saves time and makes cooking and draining liquids easier than ever before. The added benefits of the non-stick ceramic coating, scratch-resistant diamond and titanium surface, and dishwasher-safe design make this pot a standout in the world of cookware. It's not only functional but also a durable, long-lasting investment in your kitchen. Key features and benefits of the Eatex 5-quart pasta pot with strainer lid. Number 1. Twist and lock cooking convenience. Built-in strainer lid with dual sizes. The unique twist and lock lid is one of the standout features of this pot. This design includes dual straining sizes, so whether you're draining pasta, vegetables, or even boiling eggs, you can simply twist the lid into place and strain liquids without worrying about spills. Multi-use design. The twist and lock system integrates the function of a colander, mixing bowl, and non-stick cookware in one product. This not only saves space in your kitchen, but also cuts down on the number of tools you need for each meal prep, making it easier to cook and clean. Practicality at its best. This feature is especially convenient for busy individuals who want to save time and effort in the kitchen. The intuitive design helps minimize mess, reduce dishwashing time, and streamline your cooking process. Number 2. Scratch-resistant, infused with diamond and titanium, unmatched durability. The Eatex Pasta Pot is infused with diamond and titanium, making it incredibly durable and resistant to scratches. Whether you're using metal utensils, whisks, spatulas, or even electric beaters, this pot will hold up, ensuring longevity and continued performance. Perfect for heavy-duty cooking. The combination of diamond and titanium ensures that the pot's surface can withstand even the toughest cooking tasks. From stirring a pot of hearty soup to mixing dough for a homemade batch of pasta, you can trust this pot to handle it all without worrying about damage. Number 3. Multi-purpose cooking capabilities. Versatility at its finest. While perfect for making pasta, this 5-quart stock pot excels at cooking a variety of dishes. From simmering soups and stews to boiling potatoes, cooking ground beef, steaming vegetables, and even popping popcorn, this pot offers all-in-one convenience. Perfect for small to medium meals. The 5-quart capacity is ideal for cooking meals for smaller families or those who enjoy meal prepping. Whether you're making a single pot of soup or cooking multiple servings of pasta, this pot provides just the right amount of space without being too bulky. Number 4. Non-stick ceramic coating for effortless cooking and cleanup. No need for oil or butter. The non-stick ceramic surface allows food to slide right off the surface, meaning you can cook without needing excess oils, fats, or butter. This results in healthier meals and less mess to clean up afterward. Easy cleanup. Because of the non-stick coating, food doesn't stick to the pot, and the residue wipes away effortlessly. This reduces the amount of time spent scrubbing, and it's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup even more convenient. Just place it in the dishwasher, and you're good to go. Number 5. Safe and healthy cooking experience. Free from harmful chemicals. The Eatex Pasta Pot is completely free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook with peace of mind knowing that the pot is safe for both you and the environment. Number 6. Tempered glass lid to retain heat and moisture. Monitoring without lifting the lid. The tempered glass lid is designed to help you monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, which retains heat and moisture for better cooking efficiency. This is particularly helpful for dishes like soups, stews, and pasta, where keeping the lid on helps to retain flavor and nutrients. Number 7. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Hassle-free maintenance. After you're done cooking, you can place the Eatex Pasta Pot directly into the dishwasher. The high-quality non-stick ceramic surface ensures that cleaning is quick and easy. No scrubbing or soaking required. Just load it in, and it's ready for your next cooking adventure. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.